All right, real quick. This is gonna be some fast, lazy ass fried rice, cause I'm only putting onion and eggs in it. You know I gotta use the show. Wee. New trick alert. Hey. Now I can't do that in basketball either. Oh. Got that custom garlic butter right there. Yep. You hear that sound? That means it's ready. Woo! Towel. Let's lather this joint. This video probably gonna be like five minutes at that. Got your onions here. That bowl hot, it was too close to the fire. And I cut the onions myself too. Yeah. That don't work. Some more oil. Need a lot more oil. Oil is your best friend when you're cooking on one of these things, one of these suckers. You don't want none of your food to stick to it, you know? You know? I'm gonna go ahead and lay down that real quick. Get the fried on the rice. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Woo! Hey, don't flip your spatula if it's oily, because that shit gonna flick you in the face. Or whoever in front of you. Take it from me. Eat. Oh, we got trees. Trying to check and see if they're alive. Hold on. Wait. That's what they be doing in them races. Stop playing around. Just wasting baby chickens, man. Oh. You never want to waste a baby chicken if you can help it. Woo! It's a disco egg, huh? Whee! Here we go. I'm sorry, man. He's leaking right now. It looks bad. Go to a chicken funeral. Let's see. Put some more oil down. See what other trick I can get out of these eggs. Excellent. All right. Whoop. Huh? Come on. Oh. No, I need to get that one down. As soon as I throw it up, it busts open. This side ain't really that hot, so I'm letting everything chill. So relax a little. This is my hottest side. Alright, here we go. We got a lot of eggs, so don't worry. Oh, fuck. Whoop. Oh. There we go. Hold on, let me see if I can draw Trump. or Kanye. See? That's an excellent heart. Hold on, with an arrow. A yoke rope. Take playing with your food a different level, huh? I'm just making this because people need something to eat in the house, and I'm about to go. I ain't got the time. They said they wanted hibachi. No, they didn't. I was lying. Alright. I'm gonna figure out another trick. Hold on. Hold on. Come here, Egg. So, what I'm about to do now is figure it out. I don't know yet. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, all right. Whoop, whoop. Nah, I can't do that one. More practice. What I was trying to do is pop it up here, flip it, bloop, 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 and like still have it busted. Like it was in the twerk team. Alright, I think my onion is good. Let's lay it on top. Told you it's gonna be a fast video. Hold on. Alright. Alright. Oh shit. I'm funny, huh? Alright, here we go. Whoop. 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 Oh, almost. One more time. One more time. One more time. Whoop. 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 Doggone it. Cooking slow. That's a good sign. All right, one more time. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. I'm counting on you. Don't let me down. Woo. Woo. I tried to do that. That looked tight though, huh? Oh, damn it. That was the trick. See, I landed on the spatula first, and then I laid on the side of the grill. I need some oohs and ahs to keep my motivation, guys. What else can I do with it? What else can I do with an egg besides eat it? Oh, I think I got one. I think I got one. I think I got it. Now look. Hold on. Let's see. Alright. That was tight, huh? That's one of my best tricks. I call that the Grand Slam. Fast video. Cause I got to go. Got a little pepper right there. A little bit of sugar right there. Yum. Let's take the wrap off my soy. Y'all miss the cool tricks you can rewind. I can't do no more. I can't do no more. Whoa. And we got your garlic, butter, aka ice cream. Pepper, something else, G. Yup. This might be exceeding 5 minutes, but I have to figure out some tricks real quick. I'm gonna have to look up some more videos to do simple things on. I got my professional. My professional apron. The nostalgic Taco Cabana apron. Oh yeah, that smells right. But only thing in this, onions and eggs. I was feeling a bit lazy today. Yeah, I should cut off my face and only have my torso on this motherfucker. Like cooking with Babbage type deal. Bloody fucking hell. Come on, man. I want to talk like Gordon Ramsay a bit. If you could... My accent's trash. I'm trying to do I don't even know what type of fucking accent you talking. Are you fucking serious? What up? Your mom. My eyes ain't that good, so I'm squinting over here now. What do you say? I want a different accent so bad. Alright, what's good, little man? My guy? I thought you was gonna be over here this week. What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? Whoop. Whoop. Alright, I'm done. Yeah, that's it. Hey, Ray, I'll probably see you next weekend, homie. Oh, my cam. It didn't. Yeah, I gotta go.